Alright, so I just kind of wanted to be able to showcase the screen that I've got going on here. So, as you can obviously tell, these are not normal icons. These are actually custom folder icons, and Windows 10 is really bad about this, because it's just like, no, can't. I won't let you. Like, it'll just go back to the default folder over and over and over and just start ignoring you on it even. So this thing up here is actually my trash can. Like, I could actually read out these for you, but I'll give you the rough translations here. So this basically means, entity of death. It's just my garbage. You put anything in here and it dies instead. This is basically Gemu something. It's like you're basically the Japanese phrase for an arcade. This is where all of my games are. This is programu, so obviously this is where my programs are. This is something along the lines of like art gallery. These are my pictures. So, and I've got some really good pictures. Apparently, we're just gonna go with that. Yeah. So the thing is, I need to reroute this. I did have it set so that it would open pictures normally. I had to figure out how to fix this, because I accidentally told it that PNGs and JPEGs just open them directly in Fire Alpaca, which I don't really use very often, so this doesn't help me. But you know what we can do while we're here? Hue. Now Gur is different color. Oh, yes. Wait. Where's the pink? It's gotta be in here somewhere. It's green. You know what, that's good enough. There. Now, not that much. You know what, actually more, because Gur is just obscene. don't Okay, so the font, I'm gonna pop open, personalize here. Okay, so themes. It's nothing super special. I haven't done anything crazy with the cursor. I've just changed it to a different default. I don't know if you can see it on the other end of this. It might just be a black cursor for you guys, but for me, it's if I overlay on something else, it's like the inverted of that color through the cursor, so it's like prismy. I like that. The sounds, it's a modify of the default. So all of the ones that actually matter, like things I'm actually going to hear, it's not playing them right now. Whoops. Well, I don't want to change it too much. But yeah, if you can see the names there, those are definitely arcade sounds. Yeah. It's pretty normal, so, for that far. But I was already talking about how this doesn't stay. So I actually have a program called Folder ICO, because it's really annoying. It's not worth it to just have it revert these back to normal every single time. So I'm going to make a default. I'm going to show you how this works. Make a folder I call this fart. I'm getting real tired of how fart looks, yellow manila folder. I just wish it looked like, more edgy. Great, right? and I can change it to any color that I want at any time. This is very, very nice. And we're on Lemon Demon now, so lemon, logical option. But the thing about this is we're not satisfied. The newest version of Folder Ico will actually let you change this to any icon you want. Now the thing about Windows 10 is it's got to be the .ico file or it won't do it. And now fart is the PlayStation logo, which serves me no use. This is an indicator that these are my games, but now he fits the look. But we're not gonna keep him because his soul is empty. Okay. In the background sound is actually, I used this program called Sound Packager. And I have not actually paid for this. I'm doing the free trial. I don't know if these sounds are going to stay, or if I'm gonna have to start paying them to keep it, but it's just helpful for me to have all those sounds available to me. And now the font you may be wondering about. So this is actually one of the fonts that are already installed. If you go to the fonts here, and you install it, it's going to list everything that it has on file under available fonts. And what you're actually going to do to change your font, it would be really nice if you could just click on it and have it change. That would make sense, but we're not normal. We're Windows 10. We're gonna new text document, and we're gonna pretend that everybody's a genius. So your default fonts, you can look it up. There's a just look up how to change my Windows 10 font, and there's gonna be code. And you can just plop it in here, and where prompted, you're gonna type in the name of the font you want to use, as it says, as it spells it down here. So I'm just gonna pretend Arial, and then we're gonna save that, and then we're gonna rename it to whatever it's supposed to be, whatever you want, tests, or just like font change, blah de blah. And .dll, it might be a DLL, it might be any, I don't remember what it is. What's important is that, it now no longer is just a text file, it's actually program code. And if you have it set up properly, you're going to have an option that says merge, and that's all you're going to want. But this doesn't mean anything, so we're going to throw it away, because it also has no soul. And that's it. That's all I did. The Twitter is actually cool. So there's quite a few websites that do this. But Twitter has an adaptive system, so it actually will just take on whatever font that your OS is using. It does this on mobile as well. So that's why all of the fonts are changed here too. And that's an explanation. There you go. There's all you could possibly need to know about this theme.